Recipe hack number 5. And this one's kind of silly. This is actually our Moroccan dip and spread mix and store-bought hummus. That's all we're doing, is adding a little bit of the Moroccan dip and spread mix to something somebody else made, and it's amazing, and you will look like a rock star to your friends. We have a package of hummus that's got 2 cups in it, so we're adding the full pouch of Moroccan dip and spread mix. It smells amazing. Oh, you got the best of hummus, and then that, cardamom and cinnamon and some of those delicious flavors. It's all mixed together completely. Let this sit for 5 minutes to hydrate all of the ingredients, and then serve and enjoy.